Hi mate, you okay? How's it going? Alright. Yeah, no worries. Nice to meet you. Aaron. Is this the one, is
That's
it?
the one.
Right, no problem.
Just keeps dying.
Does it? Does it keep going off and everything?
Well, I've had a power bank on it for 2 days. That's all.
Okay.
Keeping it charged, and then the back.
Tell you what,
Dropped it
that in
out of
it.
a truck.
Did you?
Yeah, first time ever dropping it.
About 3:30 now. I'd probably say come back about 5. Yeah.
Appreciate
Yeah,
that.
no problem. Sound us. See you soon, mate. So, we're all done. That's it there if you wanted to have a look at the difference. If we go to the settings to battery health, tells you there 100%, cycle count 0 as well. Yeah, no worries. Any problems, mate, give me a shout.